All right, this is going to be fun. Las Vegas will be represented at the World Series next month. Hailey Dawson, she's a little firecracker right there, looking cute with her bow in her hair. She's going to be throwing out the first pitch before Game 4 of the World Series. There she is. Hailey is here with her mom, Yong, and UNLV student Maria Girardi, who's the engineering department at UNLV, has built the 3D hands that little Hailey gets to wear. Hailey, how you doing today? Good morning.
Morning.
Do you like being up this early, or is this too early for you? All right, let me start with you, Mom. Okay. You got the call from Major League Baseball last Friday that they were going to allow Hailey to throw out the first pitch of Game 4 of the World Series. What was that phone call like?
I cried. Yeah. It was about an hour-long conversation, and at the end, they invited us to the World Series, which was really cool. And then they requested Hailey to throw out a pitch. And then I cried.
Oh. Hailey, what do you think about throwing out a first pitch at the World Series? Millions of people going to watch that on TV. Are you nervous about it?
Awesome.
Awesome. Yes, that is so cool. And she's thrown out pitches at 2 other stadiums, right?
For Major League Baseball, yes. Yeah. The Orioles and the Nationals. But she's done it locally for the Rebels as well. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Who signed your hand, Hailey?
Who signed your hand?
You got some pretty cool signatures on your hand right there. Bryce Harper,
Gio Gonzalez, and Joe Ross on that one.
That's cool. and she's got like the Nationals logo on it and all that cool stuff. Well, let's talk about UNLV's contribution to this. How did you guys get involved with the family?
Yong actually approached the university and asked if we could help Hailey and get her a hand. Mm-hmm. So from there we made modifications so that it would fit her hand, since not her hand's obviously going to be different than the main model.
Sure.
So we just took it from there.
How long does it take you guys to build one of the hands there?
With printing, I would say probably about 4 or 5 days, because the material has to soak to get the string lines clear.
And this is a 3D printer, correct?
Correct.
So new technology being used. How cool is it that your guys' work is also going to be on the big stage?
It's awesome.
The World Series.
Yeah, it's awesome. And the new hand that we'll make for her is going to be pretty great too.
So Hailey, are you, how did you fall in love with baseball? How did you become such a good little baseball pitcher? She's a little tired. Mom, how did Hailey become such a fan of baseball?
My husband grew up in Maryland, and since he was a little boy, played baseball and has been a huge fan. I think he bleeds black and orange for the Orioles.
Okay.
My son was born into that. My son has played baseball for 8 years now, and he's still playing. And then Hailey played T-ball last year. So she's always around the baseball field. The Rebels, we watch our son play. And then my husband coached as well. Yeah. So.
What's it going to be like for you guys if you can transport yourself to that moment before Game 4 of the World Series, seeing your little girl out there throwing out the first pitch? That's got to be pretty overwhelming.
It's going to be overwhelming, but amazing at the same time. We can spread the awareness for Poland syndrome, which is what she was born with, that caused the birth defect to her hand. And then everybody can see her robotic hand, and that, it's available. And contact UNLV.
Yes, it's a great thing all the way around. All right, if we can widen out to the 4-shot, the shot of Hailey back here. Whoa. I think, does that perfectly sum her up? Just like a little firecracker.
Yes, absolutely. I didn't even know they were taking this photo at UNLV, and then I saw the photo when it came out, and yep, that's her.
Well, that's awesome. Hailey, good luck with your first pitch. We know you're going to kill it. Game 4 of the World Series, so keep doing great things. Thank you, Mom, for coming in.
Thank you.
Awesome fist bump. And thank you, Maria, and the UNLV Engineering Department for what you guys have done for this family as well, and continue doing good things.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. And we'll be watching because the World Series airs right here on Fox 5. Awesome. Cassandra, over to you.
Now, Fox